With my video right now, I've just passed at the 360 studio. Right now I have number 7. You can see the main force. You can see breathtaking, spectacular views. We are heading right in front of the main force. So this is number 8, 93 meters deep. You can see this is number 8, heading straight to number 8. This is number 8. You can hear the sounds. We are going ahead, we are not stopping. Can you see the tallest trees here? You can see the beautiful flowers here. You can see right here is very wet on the floor. So someone must exercise caution. It's a bit slippery. You can see the tall trees here. Tall trees here. So one must exercise caution when he's walking down on this place, because something can fall from up there coming down. A tree can even crack and break down and come direct to you. So you can see right now I've got some showers right here with me. First exit. This is the first exit that takes you back to the main entrance. You can see this landing tree here. If you have been here, you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see this is a lemon tree. No one planted this tree. No one planted this tree. No one. It just came. It's a manna from heaven. So you can see these lemons are not yet ripened. You can see. So anyone is allowed to pick a lemon when are ready to be ripened, to be eaten. Then this is a fig tree. You can see the fig tree here. Yes, very tall fig tree. We are forging ahead. Let's go. So those ones are the fireball. So you can see they are now off-season fireballs. Off-season. Again, this is another caution. Slippery when it's when wet, mind your step. So it's a warning to those people who are be descending downslope on this way. So you realize that wherever you are, whenever you are walking right here, you can see all the bins, trash bins, they are here. So you just drop right direct into here, you see. So you just drop. So right here is number 9. So unfortunately this one has broken. It was eaten away by the termites. So this is number 9. This is number 9. So right here you cannot see anything. You cannot see anything because it's mist. It's mist. I'm taking you through. Let's go. Let's go with me. I'm heading straight to number 10. Here we are, right here at number 10. So this is number 10. You can see. Now I'm about to approach Devil's Pool. So now I cannot see Devil's Pool just because it's mist. Devil's Pool is at this point where I'm facing right now. So you can't see it right now. There are a lot of edible fruits here, right here in the Victoria Falls, but I can mention very few of them. Like this kiwi tree. So, and this one is the botanical word is called Flocotia, I mean. Then it's also called Mununguru or Umkogolo. If you are in Ndebele, you can know that Umkogolo is an edible fruit. So this is Umkogolo. Another fallen number 11. This is number 11. At number 11, that's where you can see Devil's Pool, right direct. So that one is Devil's Pool. Right now it's no longer working just because it's full water. There are too much water, so it's closed right now. So no one is allowed to go there and swim again. So Devil's Pool is closed. It's temporarily closed. I cannot say it's closed, but it's temporarily closed. That's because you can see water is going higher and higher every day. So right now it's closed. It's unfortunately you cannot see it very clearly because it's bit mist. So if you're a bit tired, you can take your time and sit right here. They've placed David Livingstone Island, number 12. You can see here. So David Livingstone. It's beach. So there's a space, a huge space, or a bit of distance. There is a distance between number 12 and 13. So this is a second exit. So this exit takes you back again to the main entrance. It's 1,020 meters from here. You can see 1,020 meters from here up to the main entrance. So you can see there is some points where you can rest. So this is another point where you can rest, right? You can see the beautiful of nature. The nature is very beautiful, very refreshing here. Whenever you are inside here, it's very refreshing, trust me. You can actually forget all your problems when you are here. You can think as if you are in Jerusalem. Yes, you know, I've never been to Jerusalem, but you can feel that there's something is very nice here. Wow. So now you are heading, this is number 13, the Horseshoe Falls, 95 meters deep. So today we'll end here. Thank you so much for those who are going to watch. whenever you come this site, you know where to start, where to go. Thank you so much.